Because if you spend time with me, you're going to learn how to do this. But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just chase everything. Instead of sitting down and saying, you know what? I'll just have a filet. Thank you. And I've done that with the 2022 model. I've done that just recently with the silver bullet model. You don't have to have anything. I have lots more coming, but you don't have to have anything else. The optimal trade entry was enough. OTE pattern, the flagship that was on my YouTube channel. That's enough. The 2022 model, that's enough. You can use it in every session. London, New York, PM session in New York. You can use it in London close. You can trade it in Forex. You can trade it in futures. You can trade it in crypto. You can trade it in whatever you want to trade it in. It works. There's no excuse. You have zero excuse not to have some baseline by now. You should have some kind of experience to be able to say, you know what? This shit works. And I have to work on refining it, but I know it works because I've seen it in back testing, looking at where it has done this in the past. I tell you what time to look for these things to form. That way you're not just going around and looking at charts blindly. Go right to these specific times of the day. That's where it's going to form. For those people that go back in their old data and their old charts and they study that, they see it, they don't need me to do 50 examples of that. They don't need to see me do it live 50 times a week. They're sold on the idea. Okay, there's something here. It merits more investigation because I see the evidence of this thing occurring. It's not contrived. It's not conjectured. It's not made up. It's not fabricated. It's really happening every day. And once you see that, you don't need to have anybody else to cheerlead for you. You know, okay, there's something here. I'm going to mine that. So I give you just a few models so that way you go in and you now start working on the skill sets that are required. Not veering off course, just, hopping from one PD array, one approach, fair value gap, inversion, fair value gap, breakers, market maker models, buy, sell. There's 1,000 things out there that I teach. Every individual one of them is a model. Every single one of them is in an individual model. But I give you, this is the best way to learn. I'm allowing you to pick your weapon. I've opened my arsenal doors. So here it is. Look what I have here. Pick your weapon. But nothing changes when it comes to time. Time of day, these things occur at specific times, certain days of the week, certain weeks of the month, certain month of the year. I'm allowing you to bring your personality, your personal influence, because you're the problem, and you're the last puzzle piece. See, some of you are sitting around here, you're writing diligent notes, you're doing this, you're doing that, and that's wonderful. But you're all waiting for that last penny to drop. The last ICT puzzle piece. And then it's all going to come together. It's all going to be crystal clear. Once he tells me this one PD, the 81 PD arrays, the 81 final last one, that's it. That's it. That's the Holy Grail. No, it's not. If you walked over to your mirror right now, if you're driving, look in your rearview mirror, adjust it, look at yourself real quick. Not too long, you're driving. That's the final puzzle piece. And it's always been you. You're the reason why you succeed, and you're the reason why you haven't succeeded yet. And ultimately, you and you alone are the only reason why you're going to fail. That's not me talking down to you. That's me telling you the way it is. That's just the way it is. If you don't have a baseline, which is what the 2022 model will give you, that silver bullet and the optimal trade entry. If you don't have a baseline experience going through the motions of, okay, this is the time of day that markets should do these specific things. Well, what's that mean? London creates usually the high or low of the day. New York is usually a continuation, unless London was a consolidation, didn't do much. Then the reversal or higher low of the day will form in New York. Oh, there you go. There's one of those little things that I always tuck in when people are usually getting tired and bored. They turn the video off and turn the presentation off. They don't get that. But that's just the way it works. Line close or the end of the AM session is usually, for Forex, the higher low of the day. The opposing higher low of the day. That's why I'm not a fan of trading Forex past 1 o'clock in New York local time. Does that mean no trading after that? No, it just means focus on index futures. But like my daughter, she is a professional student because she feels safe as a professional student. Are you a professional ICT student? Because if you are, you're not going to succeed. I'll say it again. Are you coming to me for a constant dose of something new but have done nothing with what I've already given you? Then you're a professional student, and they don't pay professional students. You always had to pay out of pocket. Are you a professional procrastinator? Because that's the equivalent. You keep procrastinating. You have to put the sleeves up. You have to sit down, turn off all the distractions, social media, sports, weekend living, all that stuff. There's plenty of time to do that later, and you can be affording it better than right now. You don't have time for that. You can't afford it. You have to be putting all your effort and attention into this, because what's coming, folks, is a shitstorm that nobody's ever seen before. Because if you spend time with me, you're going to learn how to do this. But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended.
Ukraine, where
Watching Joe Rice always fills me. GM bro, GM, I have the limit orders. I have a limit order at 29348.5. Let's see if we get executed or we are going without our limit. Let's see. Are we going to get the retracement or is it gonna leave us? Leave left. Bro, why you didn't enter off the IFG close? Because GM brutal trader Nexus Taman bro. Because I don't market execute. Sometimes because of the slippage, for better price, for better entry, I place limit orders. It gives a precise entry, and sometimes if you're lucky, you can get the entry a little bit down. So it's basically taken sell side expecting all-time high on ES. Yes. Same exactly. I'm looking the same thing. As we took this liquidity, right? And on the ES, on the NQ, we are also delivering from this 4-hour FEG. This 4-hour FEG, right? So I'm expecting price. The music is kind of loud. Let me just, yeah. So I'm expecting price to continue from this FEG to take out all these low resistance liquidity. This liquidity was engineered during the London session and the Asian session. Now we're expecting to run these liquidity. Okay, so we will wait for our entry to get triggered. Let's see 4-hour can hold prices. I mean, yeah, it's a good trade in my opinion. It's like kind of same trade like we took on Monday, but let's see if we get the entry. This is the problem when you wait for the limit orders, because most of the time price just run without you. So this is a drawback and I fully accept that. But if you market execute after the FEGs, then good for you. You should be in profits now if you took the buys here, right here. Stop should be here. Yeah, the market executes sometimes give a lot of slippage, so I avoid it. And let's hope if we reverse back, or maybe we can find something along the way. Opening 50-minute market execution works like hell. Opening 15-minute market execution worked like hell. Exactly. So much volume, and yeah, we'll wait for macro. Okay, brother, you can wait for macro. Yeah, like the stream, guys. Like the stream. I want to see the same numbers of likes. 4 people are watching and I only have 2 likes. Thanks, brother. Thanks. Yeah, if we don't get executed on this trade, then I'll be looking for the 10 a.m. continuation. But for now, I'm have a high hopes from this trade. We're rejecting from this FVG, right? How's your days, everyone? How's your day going? Did you guys take any trades during the London? Do you guys trade London or just the nuke session? I don't think it will go straight to. Who knows, bro? Who knows? Market is random, right? I want this 15 to close above this level, and then the next 15 can just give us an entry, and then we can continue higher. That's the plan. Okay, guys, share the stream. If any of your friend who trades, share the stream. If it break this high, I'm gonna remove my limit order, because it doesn't make any sense to have the limit when we are taking this high. So yeah, next 15 opened up. Can we see some pullback? A little retracement. $77, that's a huge stop loss. But nowadays NQ is moving crazy and we see a lot of movement in 1 minute candle. Have you taken this trade? Not yet, Riddle Master, not yet. I have the limit order. Let me just put a text here so you guys don't think that I already took this trade. It can happen when Trump says something, pullback. If Trump says pullback, then we are hitting the stop loss. If Trump says anything, we gonna hit this stop loss and then we will go up. But yeah, let's wait for, we're gonna wait for 10 a.m. after taking this high. I'm gonna wait for the 10 a.m. then we can take the trade from this FVG. We can take the continuation. Okay, so don't need to feel pity about it that we didn't take any trade. We'll get our trade. Don't worry, we'll get our trade. Okay guys, if we break this high, I will delete my limit order and I'll wait for 10 a.m. Nine macro is about to start in 1 minute. We're about to take the high of this high. Okay. Macro is about to start in 5 seconds. Okay guys, I'm deleting my limit order. Okay. So yeah, our analysis was on point, but unfortunately we didn't get any entry. Now let's wait for 10 a.m. Right. Zero, zero, zero. Let's see if NQ give us reaction from 0, equal highs on ES. I can see a pullback, but I don't think we're gonna go lower. We are in bullish trend, so I would like to see a pullback to this FEG and a continuation. Like that. We already started our week with a win, so be patient. Yeah, trend is friend until it ends. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Only look for reversals. For example, this was bearish trend, right? But on the higher time frame, we know we are bullish. So in this case, you can take a reversal trade. Okay, and Q, give us entry, give us entry. This will be a beautiful trade if we get the 1 hour tap here and then continuation. Beautiful trade, beautiful. But if it doesn't happen, then we gonna close our day. Doesn't matter, like, I don't give a shit. I'm not gonna force any trades. I'm not gonna do some stupid things which can put me in drawdown, and then the winning day is gonna come and I'll be break even rather than being in a profit. So 80% of the trading game is waiting for your setup and executing. That's all. If you are looking for trades every day, some days you won't get any trades. For like 6 days I didn't get any trade. On the 7th day I got a trade. I made 1%. On the 8th day I made 1%, so 2% up, rather than fighting the market and taking losses and coming out of the losses. If you just feel good taking trade, then you have a problem. You should be taking trades based on your plans. It's not, you shouldn't be taking trades because you like it. Okay, we're already making profit, like we from past 10 or 9 days, I don't know, but we are consistently making profit. We are on a winning streak. Who is like continuously watching me from 1 month, they know how this works. Even if you like take 6, 7, 8 or maybe 8 trades in a month, and those 8 trades are high probability, and you make 6 to 7% per month, that's more than enough if you know how to risk. Yeah, exactly. Daman knows, he's been here from 1 month. See, this is a strong level. We are rejecting hard from this level. Maybe we can see. It's too early to say, but yeah, let's see. Next 1 hour candle can tap here, and then we see any setup forming. Oh, five people are watching. Who are the 5 people? One is Daman, one is Brutal, Riddle Master, Nexus. Nah, bro is so underrated. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Keep watching him, support him. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Problem is people can't wait. They are jumping from stream to stream to find a trade. They just want the thrill of the trade. It's very hard. Personally, I'm telling you, it's very hard for not taking trade for 6 days. It feels like you're not doing anything. But trust me, that's the thing you are doing. That's the important part of the trading. Let's say you have let's say you have 100k account, okay? Most of you are from India, so let's say you have 50k account, okay? 50k account, most of the people they can afford, right? So if you are even making 2 to 3%, which is $1,500, $1,000, right? Your after split, it's gonna be $1,200. Okay, you are making 1,20,000 rupees bi-weekly. That's not even monthly, bi-weekly. If you just take 1 or 2 trades of winning trades for your setup of your plan, you can easily make 2 lakh rupees per month if you only focus on your plan. If you don't have patience, then it doesn't gonna work for you, because you're gonna force trades and you're gonna lose. You're gonna be in drawdown and you're gonna try to recover the drawdown and then you're gonna lose again. Kidda bra Sukhpuller bro, how are you bro? Sukhpuller bro, I'm good. What about you? How was your day, bro? Making $100 daily is enough. Don't focus on $100, bro. Don't focus on $100 per day. Take it as, like, for example, let's say you are risking $500, right? Don't think about making $500 every day. Just think about it like you're gonna only take high probability setups. You're gonna risk $500, and if you make, then in 2 or 3 trades you're gonna be up like $1,500. Some days you're gonna be flat, like no trades. Some days you're gonna lose. Your A plus setup's gonna fail. Okay. Good, bro. Good. Okay. Did you take any trade, bro, during London session? Anyone trade London session? Asian. 10 a.m. candles is about to open in 20 seconds. It's the judgment time. Let's see if you get a pullback. If you can afford a challenge in India, and if you have consistent funds or a job which you can use to fund your funded account, then India is the best place to live with funded account. And don't ask me why I'm not moving back to India. Okay. I have some personal reasons, but if I would get a chance, then I'll be happy to live in India with my funded accounts. Because how much you can spend in India in a month? How much the maximum you can spend? I mean, if you're living in big cities like Mumbai or Delhi, then it's different for you. But if you're living with in small cities, then tell me how much you can spend maximum. 50k? bro. नहीं bro, नहीं. No. Just some other reason. Maybe I'll be in India this winters. Maybe I'll be in India. If we get like a good following, then we will do a meetup. Okay. 50k. I mean 50k, bro. It's still too much big. It's very big amount, to be honest. I mean, if according to me, how much you can spend? $500 to $700, great. But bro, you can't just spend every month. That's the thing. So what are you gonna do with that? You're gonna buy some clothes. What else? You're gonna buy some gadgets. First 2 or 3 months you can spend it, right? But how you can spend it like the whole year, 700 consistently every month, right? At the end of the day, you're only gonna spend like 20 to 30k. Trust me. Personally, me, I can't spend that much in India. Being in India, I mean, if you're a gym freak and you need supplements every month, then 500 is appropriate amount. Yeah. Next is, where are you from, bro? Which are you from India, or which part of the India? And brutal, bro, where are you from? Punjab. Where in Punjab, bro? And brutal. Currently living in Jalandhar. Nice, bro, nice. For studies. That's good, bro, that's good. Okay, good, bro, good. So yeah, if you're living in like Punjab, then 20 to 30k is too much. I mean, not too much, but 20 to 30k is it's kind of, there's no expenses in, if you're living with family, then there's no expenses. You don't need to spend on rent, you don't need to spend on food. It's just only the expenses you do outside. Ludhiana Jalandhar meetup, yes. At least we need 10-15 people to meet up. We can arrange something, right? Definitely, bro, definitely. Let's hope this year we can do it at the end of the year. Plan for Dubai. I'm in Dubai. I have a plan to go to Dubai. Yeah, I have a plan, but with the family. What is this stupid market is doing? It's not gonna give us a retracement or what? There will be silver bullet setup if we manipulated lower on. Then Sire, what do you think? Never. Bro, silver bullet aren't really they take that setup silver bullet, but it just I only have one model, so I only follow one model, which is a market maker model, and for entry model it's a venom model. So I don't usually trade silver bullet. Silver bullet is a more of a mechanical strategy, so that's why I avoid mechanical strategies. I'm not interested in cells, to be honest. There will be silver bullet setup if we manipulate lower on, then go higher. No, bro. Okay, so you're talking about this low, right? No, 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 no. I want to see a pullback to this FVG, because still there are some orders waiting at this FVG. Let me show you what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, so if I draw this, you guys can see. See this area? This area has no volume, so there are a lot of orders pending. People want to buy from here. So basically, I'll wait for this area to get tapped, then look for higher. This is the area where manipulation is happening. But yeah, I don't think we will get anything. The way the market is moving, I wanted the candle to open up and then go lower, then go higher, but it's doing the opposite thing. And if it's gonna continue going up, then I'm not having the trade. It's all about waiting. If you think the market has gone, and if you have FOMO or you want to chase the market, then you always gonna end up losing. Okay, we are sweeping the London high. We swept the London high. TP done, bro. Nice, bro, nice. And you can do anything. I see many time expansion candle last 5 minutes if completely reversed. Yes, brother, and you can do anything. Congratulations, Taman, bro, for the TP. Nice one. Today I took 15-minute overbought breakout target at London High. 15-minute overbought. Nice bro, nice. Tomorrow is NFP, right? And next week we have CPI. 12th, yeah, we have CPI. All right, can we get a pullback? The ES we are today I took 1-to-1. Nice bro, nice. That's good. You should also take your own trades. You shouldn't be relying on me to tell you where to buy or sell. You should also take your own trades. That's how you're gonna learn. Kal Friday plus NFP market will go sideways after New York Open. Yes, can be. I genuinely thought today we could get a trade, and this was a really nice trade if we had a deep pullback to this level, this FPG. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay, first 15-minute candle closed. Most probably your levels and mine are always same, so I took same setup as of you, but I also took here something look tempting me too. So basically if I found my setup I take it, but if not tried it. Yes bro, thank you. Yeah bro, you should also take your own setup, that's a good thing. But I only took order history दिखा. Order history क्यों दिखाऊं भाई मैं तुझे? तुझे क्यों दिखाऊं order history में? राजपूत, क्रिश राजपूत. Yeah, bro. They want the trade. They don't want to wait for the perfect setup. Okay, we are pumping. So maybe I don't have any hopes. Maybe we can get this 30-minute FVG tab. This 15 is too much. Exactly, bro. Exactly. I said this is the A plus trade. But still our limit didn't got executed, so it's okay. It's okay, no worries. Not a big deal. Not a big deal, but this this 15 FVG, I'm not sure about this because we are already in premium, and this is the ideal level to take buys. Sideways जा सकती है. Yeah, bro, sideways जा सकती है, exactly. But I'm happy with my 1% of this week. I don't want to chase any setup. Half an hour left. Yes. Not a big deal. Already had a payout this week, so don't wanna force any trade. I have a back pain, bro. I don't know why, but ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਉਮਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੇ ਲਾਈਵ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਸ਼ਾਮੀ ਯਾਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੜਦਾ ਬ్రో ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2016 2017 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੋਰੇ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਇੰਡੀਅਨਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ it's like a new boom in India. Like everyone is trading. Every individual from 15 to 16 years old, everyone is trading, bro. I mean, it's good thing, but they are watching these fake gurus, you know. Problem is like people always want to judge you by the transaction, by the payouts. I'm not selling anything, right? So I don't want to show my payouts, my transaction, my personal funds. That means fuck question soon man. Exactly, bro. They're trying to be like gore, you know. Even gore they say it's cringe. ਬੰਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ 200 ਰੁਪਏ ਸਸ ਪਰ ਚਾਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਨਿਕ ਮੈਂ ਰਿਜੈਕਟ ਮਾਈ ਪੇਆਊਟ ਬਾਈ bro he's getting paid by the prop firm. He can't say anything negative about that prop firm. That's the problem. They are getting paid huge amount to bring these customers. And tell me why funding pips, funded next, and the other prop firms, Fivers, they're targeting mainly India and Pakistan, third world countries. Why they are interested in those countries? You know why? Because they are just looking for customers who can just get small challenges and blow them, because they see large profit in small challenges. The bigger account, they have risk. Get it? Bigger accounts have more risk. Let's see, bro. Entry मिलूगी. Let's see. Even if it doesn't, then I don't really care, bro. $15 new FEG marker. No, bro. Not this 15. This is premium, bro. We are in premium. Look at this. We are in premium. 25%. Anything at this level, I'll be happy to take, but not here. It's like gambling. It's like throwing dices and expecting to win, and when you lose, you feel pity about it. And that's when you start doing revenge trading. Okay. Let the price create a manipulation here and manipulate lower, then we can plan for longs. Okay, this is ideal scenario. We have this consolidation to manipulate. Okay, this box. So always set a plan. Like I'm setting a plan that I'll take a trade if price does this. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna call it a day, because this is not a high probability setup. I can take a trade from here, okay, after this FEG. But the thing is, it's not the high probability setup. And if it wins, then I'll repeat that in the future. I'll keep losing on this setup. It's a bad setup. I used to do journal, but not anymore. It takes a lot of time. I use ChatGPT. Already give commands. I just tell him entry, exit, reason it does for me. That's nice, bro. That's a great use of AI. If I take a trade right here, the problem is we don't have enough room for price to go. We have this FVG, and there are a lot of things which are keeping me to not take this trade. You're also having SMT. Yes, another reason. अगर तुसी ट्रेडिंग ना करते होंदे तो की करदे? Strange question means I don't know bro, maybe something related to maybe mortgage broker, real estate agent, maybe something like this. Maybe I will be studying for finance. Yeah, maybe CFA analyst. Another reason is this rejection. This is a very bad rejection. मैं शुरू तो एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहता सी, लाइक मेरी सारी फैमिली बिजनेस ओनर ने, कोई जॉब नहीं करता, बट आई गॉट इनटू ट्रेडिंग इन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, इट्स वेरी, दैट्स गुड ब्रो. If your family is always been in a business, then you can't do a job, bro. You can never do a job. You see, this is a stand-up comedy pasanda. Yes, brother, I like it. This is the reason I didn't want to take this 15-minute. This is the reason. Do we have SMT? 940. 940 is right here. Yes, we do have SMT. The next 15 is closing. You know what, we can try this one. We have SMT, we have manipulation, but let's see. I can try this, but we don't have any clean target upside. Yeah, I can try this. Or maybe next 30 minutes just go deep down to this FEG and we can get a trade. Okay guys, risking for the biscuit. This is a low probability setup. I'm only taking it because we manipulated this low. And if we are closing above this candle, then definitely the next 1 hour candle can push higher. Okay, so this is the plan. And we are also having SMT with the ES. And this 15 is closing bullish by, another reason is gonna be this candle is gonna close bullish after respecting this 15-minute FVG. So basically it says that the 15-minute is respecting this FVG, we can use it. Okay, so let me just throw a limit. Okay, good thing if we tap this FVG, we can use this low as a stop loss. Understood, go for it. Thanks, bro. But it totally depends of this 15-minute candle, how this is closing. If this is closing like this, I'm not interested. If this is closing like bullish candle, then we can take a chance. Okay, never mind. Okay, new 15 is opened up. Took the liquidity, and now it's rejecting. Okay, maybe we can get something here. Do we have any SMT? Oh yeah, we have SMT. We're having SMT. Okay. Comparing with ES is a real game changer. Yes, brother, yes. SMT is a really great confluence if you know how to use it. But the problem is delivery is very slow. Here in the macro, maybe we can get a volume in macro. ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਦੇਰ ਕੁਝ ਪੋਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੇਬੀ ਇਟਸ 2 months ago ਬਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ yeah bro वैसे ही bro मतलब depend on the mood. Okay, macro started. Don't reject from here. Okay, we're rejecting from this FVG. ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੇਰ ਦਾ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਖੁਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਸੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਜੈਨੂਅਨ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਬੰਦਾ ਜੈਨੂਅਨ ਆ, 1 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ। ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਬ్రో? ਆਈ ਡੋਂਟ ਰਿਮੈਂਬਰ। ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ? ਖੁਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੇਤਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ, ਕੋਈ ਰਿਲੇਟੇਬਲ ਸੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਾ। ਓਕੇ ਓਕੇ ਬ్రో, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਬ్రో, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। Okay, I don't think I'll get anything today. Okay. Last minute. Let's see. I love last minute trades, but if it rejects from here, then that's it. Sorry if you're writing anything. I can't see the messages right now as I'm focusing on the trade. Okay. Right, 6 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Right. Okay, I have placed the limit order. So is price gonna leave me again? Or maybe we can get entry on the next hour. I'm in trade that FVG close. Nice bro, good, good, good. Good, I'm still waiting for my limit order. This is the problem when you are trading and using limit orders. You always get left behind, and it is the part of the game. Some days you're gonna feel shit, some days you're gonna get better entries, right? So yeah. How many time it happens, you took a trade on the IFVG close and price goes into drawdown and then goes in your direction? A lot of time, right? So that's what I'm using to get a nice entry. After 10 a.m. you should shift to market order because at that time slip is not the issue. I mean, bro, if I take the market execution, my stop loss gonna be huge, so I don't wanna do that. I'll just wait for the limit order. The thing is, some days you won't get your limit orders, but it's okay. Your analysis was right, and I'm happy with that. That my analysis is right. Okay, 11 a.m. candle opened up. Nice, bro. TP done. Good, bro. Good. Good for you. So it's, if it misses my limit order, then it's gonna be second time price doing this to me. I have strong feeling from next week. Banker trades coming like we got 2 weeks ago. Yes, bro. Let's see. Hopefully, we'll back to our pace. Oh yeah, bro. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm in the trade, bro. I'm in the trade. I am in this trade, bro. Bro, माइक बंद किया सी एक वीडियो देख रहा सी मैं वापस आ गई और वो वॉइस कैन यू हियर मी नाइस 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 टीपी होने लगा कितना ही ब्रो हले कितने टीपी होने लगा स्टिल the FVG is our TP Daman bro, if you're still here, I'm gonna make you my moderator, okay? You are here every day, so I'm gonna make you the moderator. So you're gonna have the power to ban anyone or time out anyone. Okay. Let's make you moderator, bro. Congratulations, bro. You are moderator. And now you can time out people. Close the browser and see again. You can see a moderator tag on your chat. No worries, bro. No worries. You deserve it. You are here every day. You deserve it. Okay, guys. Our TP is getting edged. What should I do? What should I do? I'm worried, guys. I'm too much worried. I'm worried, guys. What should I do? There was a guy, what was his name? Something Rajput, something. Where is the guy? Where is that guy? I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. Krish Rajput, yeah. He was asking for what? He was asking for history. Bro, just go to my streams. Go to my streams. I call these trades live. Live market. Okay, guys, my TP smashed. Okay, he was asking for the execution, right? So I don't know if you guys can see it, the execution marks, but yeah. Okay, here is the TP smashed, and this is a futures execution. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna show you my bank statement and all that stuff, but yeah, this was a trade, guys. We are officially 2 on 2 for the week, 100% win rate. Whoever is here, put some dubs in the chat. Put some dubs in the chat. I'm gonna make a Instagram story, so please put some dubs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got this trade, bro? Daman, bro, you got this? If you got this too, you should be up 2% a day, right? Okay, so let's analysis. End of the day, we're gonna do analysis. We missed this trade, right? This was a plus trade. Okay, and we were waiting for any of the 15 minutes to get tapped. And so you're gonna be thinking why I took this trade, because I was talking about this 30-minute FVG to get tapped, right? So the reason was pretty simple. 15 minute 15 minute rejected, 15 minute came and closed bullish, okay, and the next 1 hour candle gave us the entry and we tapped this FVG. So this was the reason. And another confluence, another very important confluence was ES. Okay, if we look at the ES, where is the ES? 1040 and 50. $10.40 and 50 made the 50 made the SMT. 47, this was the SMT. 47 and 54. 47 and 54. Okay, so this SMT was the reason. And beautiful trade, beautiful guys, beautiful. Okay, that's it for the day. Okay guys, you guys have a wonderful day. Whoever is watching, have a nice day. Don't overtrade, don't revenge trade. Follow your plan, follow the setup. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. EST. Take care.
Because if you spend time with me,
take care, everyone. Daman, who's ever here, Nexus, whoever's watching, take care, guys. Take care.
Because if you spend time with me, you're going to learn how to do this. But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just